What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Now, I feel like I've been saying the same thing for like 6 to 8 past videos, but we're getting rid of more chrome stuff on the truck. If you've been following along, there's only 2 more things that we can get rid of that is chrome on the truck, and that is we're left with running boards and we're left with wheels. And obviously, I do like the factory running boards, 100%. They are wheel to wheel, which is awesome. They're very sturdy. I think they look good. They function well. They also serve as some rock protection on the rocker panels. Although, obviously, we've been deleting all the chrome. We deleted, did some new headlights, fog lights, front grille. We did the badges. We did the cap. Like, this whole thing, there ain't gonna be no chrome left, which is awesome. But, so they have to go. So, running boards are going in this video, and then, maybe we got wheels on order. I'm just saying. So, the running boards we end up going with, bam, amp Research PowerSteps. I know this is like a hey bro, I'm a truck bro mod, but I've wanted amp Research PowerSteps for the longest time, even when I had my Silverado. Problem is, I just couldn't afford them. Now, they have gone up a lot in the past couple years since I've had my Silverado, but I'm fortunate enough to be in a position where I could have a set, even though it's probably an overdone and outdated mod. I've always wanted them, so I want to try them out, at least on this truck, see what they look like. And then also, real quick, the shirt I have on right now, House of Toys, shout out to those guys, because these are the guys who got me the steps. They were local in Greensburg, so like the Greensburg-Pittsburgh area. I ordered these things on Friday with them. They showed up on Monday. Awesome, super competitive pricing, and once again, I just want to support local businesses. So they do everything as far as lifted trucks, lowered cars, classics, regular stuff, trailers, all that fun stuff. So shout out to House of Toys. I will link their information in the description below. Let's get these running boards on. All right, first things first, not going to bore you with taking off the OEM steps, so let's get those off real quick. Man, that actually looks really good with no running board. That is clean. Now, I probably had a bunch of videos before saying, like with my Silverado, how much I hated running boards, because I did, because they make the truck look small. Because they kind of like get in the way and like looks like you have less ground clearance than you really do. But damn, that looks pretty good. So that's what makes me so excited about the amps, because you're not going to see like this big running board hanging down. You're just going to see truck, and then the running board will come down once you open your door. So look at the ground clearance I gained. They look clean. I only liked running boards nowadays in the HD trucks, so that way no one slides off my seats and ruins my bolsters. So they actually have a step to get off on, but looks mean like that, I ain't gonna lie.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
Alright, so running boards here, it's actually like a very textured material, so I like that. I like that it's like probably 5 or so inches of flat surface too versus the stock ones. They did separate boxes into 3, so you have driver side, passenger side, motors on the fronts, and you have all the wiring harnesses and whatnot. So that's probably the most difficult part, and there's the motors themselves. Then I actually purchased this. This is the plug and play harness to the OBD2 port. This was like 75 bucks, but it should make life a little bit easier. The nice thing, this whole package here, this has a bunch of odds and ends to be able to mount this to the cab of the truck if your truck did not come with factory running boards. Thankfully mine did, so I have all the threaded holes and everything in the frame and the pinch weld and whatnot, so I should be in good shape. So gonna get these all mounted up, throw the boards on. That should be the easy part, and then we'll wire it up and see how they work.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to win the crown. I'm off with these fucking clowns. We're all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Alright, so excuse the wiring mess real quick. One side is hooked up and working, but you hear that? You can see the two lights. Light. Real quick, once those fold back up in, I had to take this cap off. With this cap on, the step itself is hitting this pinch weld and not coming out. So I might have to bend this pinch weld back a little bit. I'm gonna look on the forums real quick, because if I take the cap off, I take the end cap off, the steps work well. I do think I still hear them kind of hitting the pinch weld, maybe a couple spots. So I'm gonna look at that real quick. But otherwise they work great. It just, they hit the pinch weld. That's cool. I like how far up they tuck, but gonna think about the pinch weld thing real quick, see how else I can get these on, and I'll get back to you. All right, guys, it's done. Got two lights on this side. Guess I could probably get rid of my cardboard. Got both lights, you can kind of see them shining there. Fold right back up. They look great. They tuck up underneath the cab, really nice. You can't even see them. Definitely, I think personally, gives this truck a hell of a lot better look than what you got right there. Yes, sir. All right, now being 150% honest, had some issues. They took install time says 3 to 5 hours. I'll be honest, I'm closer to the 5-hour mark. And driver's side, I still can't run this cap. It's hitting almost an entire 1/4 inch, and I can't push that pinch weld up a 1/4 inch. So I even loosened up all the bolts to try to step on them, get the step to sit a little bit, seat a little bit lower down, and still no lock. And then I wired up the passenger side, 0 issues, went up and down. They don't touch or rub anything. I'm leaving the cap off for tonight since the sun is going down. I need to drive my truck tomorrow, and I don't have a garage to get it inside of. So the project is done, and actually it's starting to rain, so go figure, Pennsylvania. But they look nice. They look really nice. You know, thank you, sir. and they go back up real quick. Underneath, I ended up not using that plug and play kit that I bought because the amps come with one. The kit that I bought will go here and allow you to still have like another OBD2 ports, and I didn't use it because right now I'm not running like an Edge monitor or anything. I don't really need access to that. So until I actually need something that like needs also plugged in the OBD2 port, I'm gonna leave this alone. And honestly, I'm gonna call it a day. So if you have the amps and you have the pinch weld problem, drop a comment below. Let me know what you did to correct the issue, because I don't want to just run the power boards without the end cap. I want to have the cap, but I need to wrap it up so I could drive the truck to work tomorrow. Either way, that's where I'm going to finish. I want to clean the truck and go get some B-roll and stuff, since the truck is looking a hell of a lot better. There's literally no chrome left on this truck except for the wheels, which is changing here soon. But for the time being, I need to wrap up and be done. So thank you all for watching. Like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe, join the family, join the Cummins build. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.